I am your real mother. Without me, your other mother would not be here. Neither would you, your family, or your friends. You thrive on my land with my rivers and seas, food and oxygen from my trees, and natural materials for your homes. My bees give you honey. My chickens give you eggs. My sheep give you wool. Every animal has its own purpose in nature and for you. What about my smells? What about my colors? What about my flowers and butterflies? Can you make anything more beautiful than me? If I falter because of your actions, cutting my trees, keeping my animals in cages and killing them, using your cars to create pollution, you will falter too. If you warm up the atmosphere, will you be able to evolve quick enough to survive your fires and your droughts? Can you change your fate by respecting me and looking after me?